Welcome to the channel. If you're ready to cruise around town, tackle your daily commute, or explore new trails without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Today, we're checking out the best affordable electric bikes, a hand-picked selection that delivers solid performance, range, and features at a price that won't shock your wallet. Be sure to check the description for the most up-to-date prices and detailed product info. And if you enjoy content like this, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a ride. Let's get rolling, starting with number 5 on our list. Number 5. RegalRider Folding Electric Bike. Experience the perfect blend of power, style, and convenience with the RegalRider Sky Blue electric bike. Equipped with a robust 1000W brushless motor and a removable 624Wh high-capacity lithium battery, this e-bike offers an impressive top speed of 28 miles per hour and a range up to 50 miles per charge. Its 5-speed gear system adapts to various riding conditions, making every journey smooth and efficient. Designed for safety, it features front and rear dual-disc brakes, wide 20-inch tires, and front suspension for excellent shock absorption and control. The half-handlebar design enhances grip and reduces wrist strain, while hidden anti-theft battery locks provide peace of mind. Foldable and compact, this lightweight aluminum alloy bike folds easily for storage or transport. The colorful LCD display keeps you informed with real-time speed and battery status. Durable, stylish, and built for urban commuting or leisure rides, the RegalRider is your ultimate electric biking companion. Number 4. VeloWave Electric Bike. Discover the power and versatility of the VeloWave Ranger step-through electric bike. Designed for adults, this bike features a sturdy aluminum frame with a low step-through design, making mounting and dismounting effortless. Equipped with a powerful 750W, peak 1000W, brushless rear motor and 3 riding modes, pure electric, pedal assist, and classic bike, it delivers speeds up to 28 mph, tackling various terrains with ease. The 26-inch by 4.0-inch fat tires and hydraulic front suspension absorb shocks for a smooth, stable ride, while dual hydraulic disc brakes with 180mm rotors provide confident stopping power. The high-capacity 48V15Ah LG battery offers an impressive 25 to 65-mile range per charge and is lockable and removable for convenient charging. With a maximum load capacity of 350 pounds and a bright headlight plus rear reflector, this e-bike is safe, durable, and perfect for commuting or adventure. Number 3. Jason Romer Electric Bike. The Jason Romer is a powerful and versatile electric bike designed for adult commuters seeking performance and safety. Powered by a robust 750W brushless motor with a peak output of 1200W, it reaches speeds up to 28 miles per hour, conquering roads, grass, sand, or mountain trails with ease. The removable 528Wh battery delivers an impressive 45 to 60 miles per charge and features an IPX6 waterproof rating and secure locking system for peace of mind. Its intuitive LCD display provides real-time speed, battery level, pedal assist mode, and distance traveled. Equipped with 7-speed gears and 3 riding modes, pure electric, pedal assist, and manual, the Romer adapts to every rider's preference. Safety is a priority with dual mechanical disc brakes. Number 2. Ridstar Electric Bike. The Ridstar Q20 is a powerful and stylish electric bike designed for adults who crave adventure and daily commuting efficiency. Featuring a high-speed 1500W motor and a removable 48V20Ah battery, it offers a thrilling top speed of 30 miles per hour and a long range of 50 to 75 miles on pure electric mode. Its fat 20 inches by 4 inches puncture-resistant tires provide excellent stability across various terrains like sand, beaches, and rugged mountain trails. Safety is paramount with dual hydraulic disc brakes, ensuring precise and reliable stopping power in any weather. The Shimano 7-speed gear system combined with front and rear suspension offers smooth ride control and shock absorption. The bike includes practical features such as a digital display, USB charging port, and bright headlights for night riding. Whether commuting or exploring off-road, the Ridstar Q20 combines power, comfort, and style for an unbeatable ride experience. Number 1. AliExpress Electric Bike. The AliExpress electric mountain bike is designed for adventure seekers and daily commuters alike. Powered by a removable 48V/374Wh battery and a 500W brushless geared motor, 750W peak, it delivers a top speed of 22 miles per hour and offers up to 55 miles of pedal assist range. The bike features 4 riding modes: pedal assist with 5 levels, throttle, cruise, and pure pedal, to customize your ride to any terrain or preference. Built with a lightweight yet sturdy aluminum alloy frame and high-strength carbon steel fork, it handles hills and rough trails with ease. The 21-speed transmission system offers flexibility, while front and rear disc brakes ensure reliable stopping power. Additional features include an integrated waterproof wiring system, lockable suspension fork, and an easy-to-read LCD display showing speed, gear, and mileage. With 85% pre-assembly and lifetime technical support, the AliExpress Sunshine is ready to power your next ride with confidence and style. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below.